Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful video. And in this video I'm going to talk about how to dry an iPhone charging port. So we all might be entering this situation because the iPhone we use might be ending up having water over here in the charging port. So it's actually a really important thing how to adjust this shape. So I'm going to give you the first one, what not to do if you're adjusting this shape. According to the Apple's official website, we have to be taking care of a few things, and the one is you should not be inserting any wet clothes, napkins or anything over here if the port is completely dry, or should not be inserting anything like needles or anything that is sharpened in order to take the water away. So this is a very important step. As for the Apple's on the official website, they have said you should not be using any kind of napkins or even these kind of things which even make the issue more worse. So what we need to do is we just need to, the first one is what we have to do is if you feel like your charging port is completely wet, what you need to do is you have to use your corresponding hand over here like this, and you have to do like this with a gentle. You shan't be pressing too hard or you shan't be too slow, so even that can be initiated. So just do it very gently so that even the water is over here, it's definitely gonna come to your hand like this. So that's what you have to do as the first one. You have to do it very gently and you have to take it off your iPhone as well. So do like this with a couple of times so that over here in your bed and the water drops will be taken completely spring to go. And after trying with this, if you're still having, if you feel like the water is there, what you need to do is you should not be using any kind of napkins, you should not be using any blower, you should not be using any kind of things. What you need to do is only emergency have to wait because this should be get it completely drained out. So we need to wait. You should not be connecting to the chargers, you should not be connected to just keep your phone away, or I can use the phone, but make sure you're not connecting to the chargers. So just wait for maybe you only have to say half an hour or 1 hour, and make sure this is completely drained out. Even after you can try, after you waited, you can even check one by one, or you can custom do like this, and you can see whether the water droplets are there on your hands or not. That's what you have to do. So this is what Apple is recommending what you have to do. Most people get confused and they end up in using the napkins. Some users end up in using the air blowers, and even some users use some kind of needles and all those things to take the water away. So it's quite important that you should not be doing this. Still, like what I have said in the video, that stuff you gotta have to do this. So this is quite simple as I just take care of a few things which I mentioned, and you can follow this, and that's all you have to do. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be getting back to more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.